G'day everyone, Tom here from Coore, and today we're back for another episode here to install a Cobb tuning carbon air intake on our Subaru WRX STI VA 2021 model final edition, aka the Cobb Loaf. The TNT gang is here, which effectively just means that Tomo's on the tools, Troy's throwing everything at the car, and me, myself, Tom and I are going to be annoying everyone. So how hard is it to install an air intake? Well, if you've never done it before, I'd advise that you take it slow, but in our case, it's a simple matter of a case of a few nuts, bolts. What else would you say, Tomo? Levers, instructions. You don't need instructions when you have Tomo. So whilst we're getting everything on the car, Troy really wanted to solidify the fact that this is a Cobb vehicle. So we've installed a battery tie down which says Cobb on it, quite cool. And we've also installed a carbon fuse box cover as well as a carbon alternator cover as well. All carbon, just Cobb everywhere, all of which you can find on the Cobb website and a ton of retailers as well across Australia. So shameless plug, go buy it.
To give you the clearance, because the bracket is shorter, so they give you an extension piece. Don't need to pull that all the way out. Oh yeah, to where we want it. Oh. Do you think when they give you the kit, they would do this for you?
Do you constantly whisper to yourself when you work?
Yeah, talk to myself, yeah.
Hey Tom, I've got a question for you. Why do we even install an air intake?
To go faster.
You heard it here first. I just want to address something really quickly when it comes to installing an aftermarket air intake. For most cases, on most cars, you are installing an air intake on a stock car with a stock tune, and it's a pretty good upgrade, but you're not actually getting any of those performance gains that you think you might be getting simply just by installing the part. Because you're on the stock tune, nothing really changes. In our case, and especially with Cobb, they have an access port, so we can tune the car right after this. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this episode. It was pretty simple. As you can tell, it's very easy to install an aftermarket air intake. If you're after one yourself for your own car, you can head on over to coore.com.au and get yourself a cold carbon air intake from Cobb. You can also find it across a multitude of retailers across Australia. So again, shameless plug, go buy it, you want it, do it now. Tune into the next episode when we do brakes and or tuning. Yes.